The Prexiso 3-in-1 laser level combines a digital level, angle finder, and cross-line laser in a single compact tool that suits both do-it-yourself users and professionals. Its laser projects clear horizontal and vertical reference lines that make hanging frames, installing shelves, and aligning tiles much easier and more accurate. The angle gauge offers fine resolution and tight accuracy across a full circle of measurement, with an audible alert that lets you know when you are nearly perfectly level or plumb. A strong magnetic base and an automatically rotating backlit display make it easy to read measurements even when the tool is upside down or attached to metal surfaces. The included wall mount base, with multiple attachment options for different surfaces, frees your hands so you can mark, drill, or fasten while the lines stay steady. Rechargeable power, pocket-friendly size, and a user-calibratable design make this laser level a durable, everyday companion for woodworking, construction, plumbing, and automotive tasks.